This laptop is powered by the new AMD Ryzen 7 170 processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 1TB PCIe Gen4 SSD. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, it handles everyday workloads with ease. For gamers, you get an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6GB of GDDR6 RAM. Connectivity is also impressive. You get Wi-Fi 6, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, USB-C with power delivery, 2 USB-A ports, and even an SD card reader, making it a versatile machine for work and play. Speaking of the display, the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel features a 144Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB color coverage, and an anti-glare finish. That means smoother gameplay, vibrant colors, and a better viewing experience for both gaming and content creation. The laptop comes with a 57.5 Wh battery supporting fast charging, reaching up to 50% in around 30 minutes.